Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by validating prerequisites. TPM2. 0. Secure boot enabled, a 64-bit CPU, and at least 4 GB RAM. Once confirmed, make a backup, image preferred, so you can restore if anything goes wrong. Now download the official Windows 11 Installation Assistant or grab the ISO and create a bootable USB 8+ GB. This gets you out of preliminary checks and into the first actionable step. Prepare media and a verified backup so the install will proceed cleanly. You now execute the installation. If you use the installation assistant, run it as administrator and choose upgrade. If using USB, boot from it and pick custom install only if you want a fresh start. During setup, keep your drivers and network connected so Windows can fetch updates and drivers. Accept the license, select the target partition, and then let the system proceed. Your PC will restart 2 to 4 times. Make sure to watch prompts for account and privacy settings as setup finishes. Once installation completes, you'll go through OOB. Sign in with your account, configure privacy and region settings, and immediately run Windows Update to fetch drivers and cumulative patches. If hardware acts up, open Device Manager and update or roll back drivers. Reinstall critical apps from backups. If something went wrong during install, make sure you have your backup image or recovery USB ready. Revert to the backup or boot recovery media and retry the installation, because that usually
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.